garlic roasted barbecue sauce. Wait, I need sugar. So it's ketchup, sugar, figure it out. Coconut aminos for the dark color. Some smoked paprika. Hickory liquid smoke just a little bit. Oh, it smells delicious. That's the roasted garlic and some oil. Oh, apple cider vinegar. He never said how much. Just a little bit of butter. Simmer on a low heat. Then I'm going to probably blend the garlic up. You feel me? Some French fries that's seasoned. Let's have a taste test of the barbecue sauce. Let's see. Oh my. Good fries, good sauce. Wow.